Oktoberfest is back. We had 2 wonderful years without it, but now it's Armageddon time again. Okay, it was not that bad this year. Because of the rain, the drunken people stayed inside the tents, and because of the bad weather, it was really kinda Armageddon-like. It was so beautiful. Inside of the tents it was like every year, like hell on earth. By the way, I shot everything with my Olympus AF-1 Super, loaded with Agfa APX 400 film. It is weatherproof, and after the Wiesn stuff, I'm telling you if the camera is any good. Okay, let's have a quick talk about the Olympus AF-1 Super. It is a really easy to use weatherproof point and shoot camera. It has a fantastic 35mm f2.8 lens, and unlike to the normal Olympus AF-1, you can turn the flash off. There is also a fill-in flash mode and a macro mode, as well as a self-timer and a continuous shooting mode, which is pretty useless. The viewfinder is nothing special, but good enough to compose your image. There is only one thing which I find is very problematic, and that's the shutter. It is so sensitive, it fires when you're only thinking about it. So when you're not carefully half press it first to focus, your photos can end up like this. There are 3 more negative points. The longest exposure is only 1/30th of a second. The rewinding mechanism is so loud your whole neighborhood wakes up. And the CRP2 batteries are weird and not so easy to find, but you only need one and then it lasts like forever. So would I recommend the camera? Definitely. I haven't seen a better 35mm lens in a point and shoot camera. Another great thing, when it rewinds the film, it does not move the film completely into the cartridge, so you need no film leader retriever. Plus it is weatherproof and relatively cheap at the moment, like 50 to 80 bucks.